Lesson 110, simple interest and compound interest. Okay, the principal is the money that you deposit. It's the amount of money that is going into the account. The interest is what the bank pays you for the use of your money. Simple interest is paid only on the principal and not on any accumulated interest. So simple interest is paid only on the principal that's how you spell it. Okay, where is there it is. And not on any accumulated interest. And then compound interest that is paid on the principal and on the accumulated interest. So it pays on both. That's the kind that you normally get at your bank. If you put money in savings and you just leave it there, they'll give you interest on the money you put in, and then it will add to the amount you put in there, and then they'll pay interest on that new total. That's called compound interest. If you have, this is just an example, if you had a 10% interest rate, which is actually really good, and your initial deposit was $100. For simple interest and compound interest, so we're going to show you kind of the difference in amounts. So both of them, if you put in $100, they're both going to have $100. After 1 year, so we're going to put after year 1, the simple interest account will have $110, and the compound interest will have $110. After the second year, simple interest will have $120, so we're only going to be adding $10 every time, because we're only doing 10% of 100. But this one, compound interest, we're going to add 10% of 110, which is $11, so we'll have $121. After 3 years, this one will have 130, and compound interest will have 133 and 10 cents. After 4 years, this one will have 140, and compound interest will be 146.41. After 5 years, simple interest account will have 150, the other one will have 161 and 5 cents. And then it will continue on after 10 years. Simple interest will have $200 in there. Compound interest will have $259.37. And 1 more year, 11 years, $210. This one will have $285.31. So this one, the compound interest account will actually continue to have more at a faster rate. So if you were to go up to 20 years, it would have a lot more too. This one, you just get $10 every year, that's it. If you wanted to do this on a calculator, and this is kind of, there's not all calculators that do this, so you have to kind of test it first to see. But you can do this cool thing where you do 1.1, so this is the interest plus the 100%. So this will be the amount plus your interest, and then it will keep adding it on, times, and then here you'll put your principal. In our example, we had $100. And then if you push, every time you push equals, so you can, a lot of times, and it depends on the calculator, you can just push equals, and then equals, equals, equals. This one will be after the 4th year. So you don't have to keep typing it in. It'll just keep multiplying by 1.1. And that'll give us the compound interest after the 4th year. If you did another equal sign, it will be after the 5th year. Sometimes we see what's called a successive discount. I'm going to turn the page so we have a successive discount is just what it sounds like it is. It's just a discount that continually goes down. So it's a percent off of a percent. So you have to use 2 ratio boxes on this one. So we're going to do an example, this word problem. A $400 appliance was on sale for 25% off. The sale price was then reduced (20% to a clearance price. What was the clearance price? Now, if they took the clearance price and reduced it again, then you'd have to have 3 ratio boxes, but we're just going to the clearance price. So we have to take our percent box, original, change, new. The original is 100%. We're going to be taking off 25% to get the new sale price. And the original price was $400. So let's just get the sale price, and then we'll find the clearance price. So 100 over 75 is the same thing as 4/3. So 4/3 equals 400 over X. So our sale price was $300. That's the sale price. Now we want to know the clearance price. So we're going to do a ratio box to find our clearance. So we have percent, actual count. We go back, original, change, new. The original percent is 100%. Now the original price will be our sale price, which is 300. It's going to be reduced another 20%. 100 minus 20 is 80. So then we do 100 over 80, which reduces to 5/4 equals 300 over X. 5 times 60 is 300. 4 times 60 is $240. So the clearance price will be $240. And that's the end of the lesson.